just to remember, this tank had 0 DO and the fish are searching for oxygen. We're having a lot of fish deaths. We just had a little while back, and now, so by night most of them would die. This is fish mortality because of depleted oxygen. Now this water has been tested and kept ready for testing for dissolved oxygen. So we are going to add 10 to 12 drops for this particulate to dissolve. It will dissolve now. In case it doesn't dissolve, you may add a few more drops. So you can already see that it is dissolving. It is quite clear. You can close it, Kiran, and then could you wait for some time? Okay. So now give it a nice shake and absorb the water. You'll find that it is dissolving, and it is dissolved. Having dissolved, now we have to take 10 milliliters of the dissolved liquid and pour 10 ml into a measuring glass. So a 10 ml has been poured into it. With that, the next stage is to take bottle 4 with 4 drops. So bottle 4 drops in this 10 ml measured liquid. So if you notice, the water has turned blue. Shake it a little, it will become dark. If it is not very dark, then may not be a very happy situation. The dissolved oxygen is still very low. Now you take bottle number 5 and pour drops, 2 drops at a time, and if it becomes white, it clearly indicates that the dissolved oxygen is less than half. Possibly we should have tested it with just 1 drop, but it's very clear that despite whatever aeration you see in this tank, the DO levels are very low, and that's why we are having a lot of fish mortality, and the other fish are really struggling for breathing oxygen from air. You can see they're coming out of the water to catch oxygen in the air. See that? You can see their mouths here. Okay, so they will die tonight unless we take some remedial measures. Remedial measures is add fresh water, as we discussed here. There was a freshwater tank in which we moved about 100 fish. Just simple plain water change, and all the 100 fish are less 1 fish are surviving on this. So this is a very effective measure of complete water change. Otherwise you will have heavy fish mortality, or move them to another tank which has got a better DO result, or one of your ready tanks like a hospital tank. So that is what is going to happen now. Move the fish from there into this tank so that we can see them survive at least till tomorrow morning.